Hi, I'm Puneet Bansal, co-founder of Suroskie Beauty. If I talk about this marketing kira, I always had it. It started from the early graduation days, and moving on to I went to do my MBA in marketing and sales from Christ University, Bangalore. I got placed as a sales manager, as a management trainee. It was a good job. I was doing really well, achieving my targets, training the team very nicely. But however, I was not satisfied. So I left my job, went to Delhi and started hustling, started finding the right product or a right business which I could do. And during that time, one night, Puneet Bansal, my co-founder, she calls me and says, Bhaiya, I have found the right market gap. So on 10th April 2023, Bhabhi launched Suroskie with two products, that is Rose Cleanser and Rose Glass Mist, and they became instant hit and it went viral. And after a month or two, I joined Bhabhi as a co-founder of Suroskie. So Bhabhi started the business from her own home basement, which was of 100 square feet. But in another 3 months, we got so much love of public that we took this office. So now today, when we talk about it, we are like 4 floors are operational here, and we had to take opposite building also as a warehouse. So talking about Dipali Bhabhi, my co-founder, like she is the one who started Suroskie and who's the foundation of Suroskie. In 2016, my elder brother, Mr. Rahul Bansal, got liver transplant done. However, Rahul Bhai was fine in a year's time, but Bhabhi was not able to come out of that pain and trauma. Everyone in the family supported her that, Dipali, you're talented, you're educated, do something, start some business. So the idea of Suroskie came in there to make the best luxurious products who do multitasking and is affordable at the same time and result oriented. So if I talk about enablers in our journey, it'll be first I would like to mention my elder brothers, Mr. Rahul Bansal and Sagar Bansal, who are actually the pillars and backbone of Suroskie. And if I talk about the second enablers, it's been always Shiprocket. From day zero when we launched our product on 10th April 2023, they were with us until today. We started with few thousand order a month, and now we're doing few thousands of order a day. In this whole journey, Shiprocket has been an integral part of our journey. So there's this product of Shiprocket called Shiprocket Checkout, which provides seamless checkout, and it has helped us grow like really well. Our conversion rates were 20-30% earlier, and now we are doing more than 50% of conversion rates with the help of this checkout.
So recently we have faced this thing, like it was 1st October and on 2nd October it was off, and on 1st October we launched our sale. So we got almost around like 15,000 orders in a day. So it was a tough task. The Shiprocket team helped us to pick up the orders twice a day from the same courier company. They come around like 11:30 a.m. But Shiprocket team have arranged their pickup by 6:30 also, 7:30 also, 9 o'clock also. Round the clock, like till 10 o'clock, the pickup was getting done from our office, so that the delivery is done on the time.
So as I mentioned that Diwali is approaching and people are shopping more, the order volumes has gone up. But it does not give us stress or tension, because we have the right set of partners which help us to deliver or process our products like orders as soon as possible. Like Shiprocket, their team was already active before the festive season started to manage this order volumes.
So for young entrepreneurs, I would like to recommend that don't wait for right time to start your business. This is the right time to start your business, and Shiprocket will be your best partner to grow your business. Happy Diwali
from Team Suroskie.